In front of me is Nokia 225, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, obviously you need to unlock your device, then locate settings and click on personalization. Now select a lock screen background, and here you can choose either wallpaper, album or something from your own gallery. I will go with some default wallpapers, so just pick wallpapers in that case, and choose the picture that you would like to set as your background. So let me choose this one, tap on confirmation mark, and that's it. From now on, as you can see, this new, okay, so sorry, I need to unlock the device. This new background is applied to Nokia 225. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.